Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. These chili need to be harvested. Look at the size of this. Beautiful. MashaAllah. This is just one plant, and how many chili with this? MashaAllah. There's some more hiding in here. Look at this, with just one plant. See these from one plant, big, massive bunch. This, MashaAllah, beautiful. Look at these. Very, very hot chilies. Yellow chili. I have various colors of these chilies. These are hot chili. Very, very hot chilies. You know the hot ones. It's always a small size. Green chilies. Look at it. Beautiful. Very nice. You know, these are the green ones and turning into yellowish. See? MashaAllah. Look at the beautiful color. Chili peppers. MashaAllah. These are very healthy. These all are organic. And how is this one? Big enough. I'll leave the other two to grow bigger. Look at this. Something has eaten it. Put it away. MashaAllah. I hope you're gonna like my chilies. There's another melon's growing, and this is another melon. And I have another watermelon in here. Beautiful. If you put effort in it, you can grow like this. but you have to work hard for this. I can grow, you can grow. Nice cucumbers. I'll take one here. This is a nice and crunchy one. Beautiful. There's a few cucumbers hiding at the back. MashaAllah. I have a big harvest today. These are crunchy cucumbers, and also look at these chilies. These are the chili peppers. MashaAllah. Very nice. You know, when you buy from the shop, first of all, you can't buy these from the shop because these are 100% organic. And secondly, these cost you a lot of money. You need a tunnel like this, and then you will have these. Thank you.